Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Christina and I'm back with a makeup tutorial today. I picked up some new products from Sephora and I want to try them for you guys to see. I mean, this is my first time using them, so I'm excited. I've been waiting for this package for like ever. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first I picked up the FILT'R Instant Retouch Primer, Base Retouch. Oh, it's like no. So this is Fenty Beauty. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be using to prime. I've been seeing a lot of reviews on it, so I thought, why not try it? So yeah, let's go. Let's see how this is looking. Like it so far, it's kind of like a moisturizer. Feels nice. Cause I'm all about that skin, baby. So this is really my dark skin girls who are like, dang, how is this makeup gonna look on me? And every time I look up like dark skin girl makeup or something, it's always like brown skin girl, like a deep brown, like a light brown girl, or like a medium brown or something. I'm like, talking about dark skin, like chocolate. Like right now the lighting is hitting me, so I feel like this is not my true complexion, which it is on camera, but I don't know, you know, different lighting gives you different, you know what I'm saying, you know? But yeah, anyways, so I got this foundation, Fenty Beauty. This is the FILT'R Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I'm excited about this. I've heard a lot about it. I'll try it out. And I also got the Fenty Beauty foundation brush just because I was like, it's a sale. It was what, 25% off everything. So I was like, might as well just get some new brushes. Even though I have a lot of brushes, whatever. It's something new. You know. Okay. So Fenty is a really good brand. I mean, ooh. You know, funny, I didn't even test this foundation. That's how confident I am in Fenty, huh? I didn't even swatch it, nothing. Put it on my face. But so far it's looking very decent. I usually use NARS. And this is kind of giving me NARS, what NARS gives me right now, even without me blending it yet. So, let's see. I mean, right now, it's giving me a bit orange. But I hope it also does a little bit. This is what, I mean, oh Lord. Oh no. Oh no. Do not like how this is looking. This is first reaction, y'all. This is literally, I mean, it matches my, I don't even know. Honestly, I don't even know. I'm feeling. It's definitely super dewy, super shiny, and but it's super full coverage though. So got the Fenty Beauty FILT'R Instant Retouch Concealer. So let's see, I got the shade, oh, I'm so sorry. The shade foundation that I got was $4.90. Concealer that I got, shade here, what I got was $4.60. I know my shade is $4.90, but I like a highlight. So let's see. But as my makeup is like settling in, and I'm like, oh, this foundation actually looks really good. It looks really great. Sometimes it just takes time for it to, like, you know. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna blend this all out and then we're gonna come back. Okay, so I'm back, and this is looking oh, this is looking great. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay, so yeah, it's looking really good. Okay, so we're on to the next products that I bought. I got their new cream Fenty bronzer. This is bronzer, right? Yes, bronzer. Cheeks out. Cheeks out. And Toffee TEASE. And this is the darkest shade. I kind of, while I was opening it, I kind of smushed it. Okay. And we're back. And this mirror is bomb too. Yeah, I've been seeing everyone like using the mirror and like. So, gonna try this with my Huda Beauty contour brush that I've used. Let's go. Okay, so let's see how this goes. I love it. I love it so much. Wow. I feel like this should be my foundation color, but not really. Like something literally one tone lighter. Like not even a tone, like a smudge. I mean, this is giving me bronzer. This is giving me bronzer though. It's giving me bronzer, a little bit of contour. Definitely love it though. What is it? Contour. I don't know, it's giving me bronzer. It's giving me bronzer. Everybody's tone is so different. Like everyone's like, oh, it's more contour, but it's giving me bronzer. And bronzer is, I honestly consider it to be something similar to, well, it's like close to a blush and a contour in a way, I think. Because it's supposed to accentuate your cheekbones. That's why it's like cheeks out, you know? I like it a lot, I really do. It's like giving me what I need. Yeah, this is definitely giving me bronzer, for sure. I'm so happy I got these products. Got this Laura Mercier. I used to use their translucent powder, but I used to use the like white one. And I got the color medium deep. I got medium deep because I'm deep. So I was like, let me just see how this looks. So I'm pretty. And the translucent part used to work on me, it was fine. So I'm gonna see how this one goes. Okay, BRB, gonna do my brows. Okay, so the next product that I got was the Fenty Beauty cream blush. Part of the Cheeks Out collection. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, it's in Rosé Latte. This is pretty. I'm just like rubbing it all over my cheek, like kind of how I would do powder blush. Oh, my face. I love this. Like, it looks just really natural, just like oh, low key, you know, I'm just keeping it low key, you know what I'm saying? I like that about makeup. I love this, I absolutely love this. Like, I could wear this to work, like, you know, and I feel like, oh my god, I have so much makeup on. Oh my god, this is so pretty, I love it. Oh my god, I'm loving this. I'm like, I'm in love. Okay. So I'm all done, and I like the way it came out. Like, if I didn't do eyeshadow and like a bold lip, it would look really, really natural. So yeah, I love it. Yeah. See you guys in my next video.